They didn't give me a template, but I mean to stick onto the door and onto the underside. But I did install it as for 110 degree opening, and I've got it all installed. But it'll go back to open some more, but it won't come and close towards the door frame. And it's a left-handed door that we have, and I'm just wondering why I'm getting resistance on trying to close the door.
So what closer do you have?
It's a 4040 XP slash. It's a 4040 XP, and it's a TBSRT, and it's a S/CNS.
Okay. So when you've got the closer attached, is the body on the door and you've mounted it
Yes.
on the push side?
I got it. I got it on the door, and I've changed it to the number 4. It's a 36-inch door, and I closed the valve in the back, and turned the power spring to number 4, which is a 36-inch door. I installed it, and it doesn't want to close. The other thing, it says that mount the arm at a 30-degree angle, as shown on the drawing. But I can't do that if I have the closer installed on the door.
So is the closer body installed on the door?
Yes, it is.
Is the closer body installed on the push side of the opening?
What was that again?
Is the closer body installed on the push side of the opening?
That I don't know. All I did was just...
You have to know what side of the door it's on. Is it on the push or the pull side?
Oh! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's on the push side. It's on the inside.
Is the cylindrical feature of the closer body pointed towards or away from the hinges?
Okay. I'll have to ask me that question again.
The cylindrical part of the body.
It's away from the door frame. It's on looking from the inside. The cylindrical is on the right-hand side.
That would be good if it's a left-hand door. Is that correct?
Yes, it's a left-hand door because the hinges are on the outside and it opens to the outside.
Yeah, and if you're on the outside, the hinges are on the right.
Yes.
Okay. So when you've got it all bolted up there and the door is closed, what happens when you push it open?
No, I can't close it. I had to put the arm on, but I can't close it. I put the bracket, the arm, the mounting arm, when I had it open, so that I could put the screw in to secure it. Then I attached it, the arm bracket. I attached it to the underside of the frame, and then it stays in an open position. I can't close it.
So you've got to attach the main arm. So
yeah, to the bolt that's on top. Like there's a bolt that either for a left hand or a right hand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so in which I did. So I put the arm, and then I secured it with the screw, so that it doesn't come off. And then I attached the bracket arm underneath the sill, but it stays in an open position. I can't close the door.
So did you install the arm when the door was open or when the door was closed?
When it was open, because I have to, because it says Silvio. It's S-I-L. Yes.
Okay, just stop talking. The door must be in the closed position when you put the main arm onto the spindle. You can't do it when it's in the open position because the closer already thinks the door is open. And you're linking the arm and the spindle in a point where if you were to pull it open, you would be, probably what happens is the door wants to spring back open again, if anything. So close the door. Silvio,
yes.
Close the door.
Yes.
Attach, so there are two parts of the arm. There's the main arm, which is, think of the shoulder to the elbow.
Yes.
That has to be parallel to the face of the door when the door's in the... It has to be parallel to the face of the door, but you'll do that when the door's in the closed position.
Okay.
Then you take the other part of the arm, which we call the forearm, which is like your elbow to your wrist, and you pull that towards you to connect it to the parallel arm bracket.
Okay.
That's how you do it.
Okay.
So I get people that call me all the time because they've installed a double-acting closer body, and they call and say, hey, every time I push the door closed, it opens back up. It stays open at 90 degrees. Yes, because you're installing it, timing it incorrectly. Remove the main arm, close the door, reattach it, but no, you're going to have to pull the arm towards you a little bit to get it to seat down so that there's a small amount of preload on the arm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the other question I have, on the instructions, it says number 3, it says, note, closer arm will provide some resistance as shown, but it says at approximately 30 degrees. Is that something to think about?
I'm not sure what that refers to. I'm not looking at the instructions, but
okay. So put the elbow and the arm and put it in the closed position and put it parallel to the cylinder, the closer. Then swing the other arm bracket and then screw it to the underside. So that's what I'm doing wrong. I didn't install it parallel to the closer.
Arm has to be parallel to the face of the door. That's why they call it a parallel arm mount. You do it when the door's in the closed position. Okay,
that's what I'll have to do. Maybe that's that's a rookie mistake. So
it's what the funny thing is, every time I've installed a closer, I have this superpower as to how to find out how not to do it the first time. That's guaranteed.
Yeah. Okay. Well, and your first name?
Richard.
Richard. Well, I thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it, and that's what I'll do is I'll put it parallel and then and go from there, and hopefully that will work.
It will. Happy Canada Day.
Okay. Thank you, and you have a happy 4th of July.
4th. It's coming. Thank you, sir.
Yes, the long weekend.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take care, Richard. Thank you very much.
You too, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye.